I'm here with another one. This is my latest project, and it is a mix of jeans and Ankara, as you can see. And let's get into the illustration and measurements. The bag is a saddle bag mixed with a shoulder bag because it doesn't have a long strap. Mixed with Ankara, it is a very simple bag which is meant to carry a phone, charger, and a few other things like lipstick and lip gloss. And it has a card pocket inside, so you won't lose your card. You put it inside. And now let's get to the illustration and measurements. This side is 8 by 6, the height. The flap is 4.5. Then I mixed it with a little bit of denim to make it pop, to make it stand out. Then the strap is not that long, it's about 32. So it's going to be kind of like a shoulder saddle bag. Then the bottom is 3, and I made it narrow towards this side, about 1.5, so that I'll create that effect of hair not being too wide. Then talking about the interface I used for the bag, I decided to try out something. I used a carry board for the front and the back, and I put foam to make it a little bit popping now. Then I used the same carry board, which turned out to be very, very difficult, but we made it. It's not advisable for you to use carry board for the side, which I learned it in a difficult way, but thankfully it's still fine. So I have a short clip of me making the bag, so you guys should sit tight and watch a little bit of it because the video wasn't planned, so it's short. So you guys should watch and tell me what you think.
As you can see, I've started recording and you can hear what you can say. When I saw this, I was surprised at how I've tried this in the past, but the best thing to do is Mako. I know I was supposed to use Mako there, but I said let me try this and even see if it's going to work. Everything is try by error.
guys, welcome back. I'm sure you guys have watched the short clip and you have seen a little bit of the process of me making the bag. So you guys should leave in the comment section what you think about the bag. I think it is pretty and I'm sure you guys think that too. Leave in the comment section also if you want a tutorial of this bag. Give the post a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, and we're good to go. Share this video to people you think it may be of help to them, and I shall want to see your comments, so I am anticipating because I am sure you guys have a lot to say about